Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Binance verification rewards. First, you'll need to register for a new Binance account. Once registered, navigate to the Rewards Hub, which is your central place for all available bonuses. Look for any ongoing welcome promotions specifically designed for new users. These often include tasks that, once completed, unlock valuable rewards. To unlock your rewards, completing identity verification is crucial. This process involves submitting your personal information and a government-issued ID, like a passport or driver's license. You'll also perform a quick liveness check, often through a webcam or phone camera, to confirm your identity. This step ensures security and compliance, granting you full access to Binance's features and increased withdrawal limits, such as up to 100 Bitcoin daily. After verification, you can earn rewards by completing simple tasks. For instance, verifying your account can immediately grant you a 20 US trading fee rebate voucher. Further rewards, potentially totaling 100 US, can be earned by making a minimum deposit of $10 and executing your first trade of at least $10. Remember to claim these valuable vouchers from your Rewards Hub within 14 days of registration. To make the most of your rewards, be aware of the time limits. You typically have 14 days from registration to complete the tasks and redeem your vouchers. Once redeemed, each voucher is usually valid for 28 days, so use them to offset trading fees. Keep in mind that specific reward amounts and availability can vary based on your region and are often offered on a first-come, first-served basis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.